controlling moisture and humidity is key for comfort, your health, and for protecting your home. The Santa Fe Oasis 105 is the newest advancement in high-performance, durable commercial-grade dehumidification. Its patented eco-technology enables the Oasis 105 to remove an unprecedented 7.6 pints per kilowatt-hour, making it one of the most effective and energy-efficient dehumidifiers available on the market. This model offers a number of new installation and control features, making it ideal for use in crawl spaces, attics, and basements. Like all Santa Fe dehumidifiers, the Oasis 105 features superior MERV 13 air filtration that is scientifically proven to capture 90% of airborne particles and allergens, such as mold spores, dust particulates, pollen, pet dander, and bacteria, down to 0.3 microns in size. The all-new Oasis 105 digital control panel allows users to view and input the set point for relative humidity by engaging large arrow buttons next to the set point display. After approximately 6 months of use, a built-in tracker lights the filter replace indicator, encouraging timely replacement. A defrost indicator light alerts users when the unit detects ice on the coils, preventing low-temperature inefficient operation and extending the life of the dehumidifier. For applications requiring that no light be emitted while in operation, users can select dark mode. Fan mode reduces fan speed to a fraction of the set maximum fan speed for lower noise level scenarios. At the bottom of the control panel, the terminal block allows external control wiring to support remote adjustment of settings and performance, ideal for units located in hard-to-reach areas. The newly designed base of the Oasis 105 also serves as a secondary drain pan with dedicated float switch port. The corrosion-resistant base features recessed handles for carrying and molded glide rails to support smooth installation in crawl spaces. The Santa Fe Oasis 105 is engineered and assembled in America and is powered to protect. With all of its installation versatility and flexible control features, you can trust the Oasis 105 will get the job done.